Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DK. We are having fantastic opportunity from Deloitte, which is MNC company. It is announced mass hiring and off-campus hiring for 2025. So if you have any one of these qualifications, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, BSc, BCA, BBA, BBM, BMS, BFS, BCom, don't miss this opportunity. It is one of the golden opportunity for you people. It is a mass hiring, guys. If you want to know more details and the application process, everything I will discuss in this video. Let's get into the video, guys. So guys, this is the official notification. Here you can see welcome to the national level assessment gateway 2. So your gateway to the future of your career at Deloitte. This is one of the off campus hiring and biggest hiring for you people, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. And registrations for gateway 2 by national level assessment NLA are open. Registrations are open now, guys. If you are interested, don't miss this opportunity. And this opportunity is open for undergraduate science, undergraduate commerce and allied courses and engineering. So before knowing every detailed information and eligibility regarding this opportunity, let's see the recruitment process, guys. Here you can see they also provided hiring tracks under gateway to of national level assessment, like recruitment process. First you have to register for this opportunity by opening the portal for NLA gateway 2 and register. After that they will shortlist you based on your skill set and academic achievements for the next round. So if you got shortlisted, then they will invite you to appear for an online assessment to showcase your aptitude and technical ability. After clearing online assessment, they will advance to the interview round. Be your best self and explain why you want to join this. And they will confirm your final result based on your performance in the interview round, and they will be notified you about the final result, guys. And they also, one more thing, guys, they also provided NLA journey experience video here. So before applying for this opportunity, carefully read every requirement and also listen this video carefully so that you will get an idea regarding this opportunity, guys. And tips and resources to help you, everything they have provided, do's and don'ts, and know your recruitment detail. Check out the guidelines for candidates with respect to the recruitment rule. So these are the details they mention here, guys, and everything they have provided here. Don't miss this opportunity. And before applying for this opportunity, main thing that you have to prepare a good resume. Like they also provided that how to create a great resume. Here you can see they mentioned click on learn more, then it will be navigated to the instruction that how to create a great resume. So in the world of resume contest is king. So resumes are meant to give a brief overview of your experience and skills and highlight your accomplishment. Your resume should include targeted content that is specific for the job you are applying for and should be simple and concise. So resume typically have you 4 basic sections like a profile, overview, skills, achievements, experience and education. So regarding the resume, before applying for this opportunity, create a great resume that you have skills and everything how to provide here, and step by step everything they have mentioned here, guys. Don't worry, I will mention link in the description so that you can reach out and carefully read every requirement, everything, and apply for this opportunity. So let's see the eligibility criteria. For if you are from undergraduate science, you can click here. Here you can see they have provided here welcome to the national level assessment gateway to undergraduate science. So this opportunity for eligible final year students or graduates from BSc, any combination with computer science or IT or cyber security. And for BCA, so BSc and BCA, this opportunity open for BSc and BCA. So if you are from this BCA or BSc, don't miss this opportunity, you can register here. And general expectation, like the candidate will be registered as an apprentice under the Apprenticeship Act through a tripartite agreement involving the professional organization and an appropriate government agency. And the selected candidate will be on a 1-year probation from the joining date. Excellent interpersonal and communication skills to be able to communicate on a global platform. Moderate analytical and problem solving skills to identify areas of continuous improvement. Good working knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Should be client centric and demonstrate high sense of ownership, attention to detail and process awareness. So moderate skills in programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python and or other programming foundations, relational databases, networking concepts, SQL and understanding of the cyber security. So these are the expectations from this company. So and eligibility criteria, like qualification required and eligibility: Bachelor's of Science, BSc, any combination with computer science, IT or cyber security. and if you are from Bachelor of Computer Application BCA, and this opportunity is only from 2025 batches, and aggregate of 60% or equivalent to CGPA, equivalent CGPA and above in current degree with no active backlogs. Note, should not have applied to any profile of Deloitte US India offices in the last 6 months. Should not have an offer from any entity of Deloitte. And compensation, they are offering 3.25 lakhs per annum, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. And they are offering very good package. And if you want to know the role description, they also provided here. You can click on view the role description and read every description whatever they mention here, and everything they mention here, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. And application process, so if you click on register now button, it will be open like this. Here you can see this is the registration form, guys. So they have provided declaration and consent. You have to click on after reading every declaration, you have to click on agree button, and you have to provide your personal details like your first name, last name, email address, alternate email address, mobile number, date of birth and gender, and past present address details like address, pin code, city, state and country. So educational details like please provide all your educational details, bachelor's, 12th, 10th, by using the add more option. They have provided add more option here, and university registration number. Other details like if you have any gap in education, that you have to mention here. Like here you can see, click on this drop down, and here you can see they have provided like no gap. If you have any gap like a 1 year or more than 1 year academic, or if you don't have any gap, that you have to mention here. And if you have any standing backlog, that also you have to mention here, yes or no. And if you are appear for an assessment or interview with Deloitte in the last 6 months, yes or no, that you have to mention. And if you have any other offer in hand, that also you have to provide here. And if you have, are you open to internship or not, are you an Indian citizen or not, and if you have an existing offers from Deloitte or its related entities such as Deloitte India offices of the US or hashed in by Deloitte, that also you have to mention here. And if you have any work experience, and also you should not include any internships. So if you have any prior work experience, yes or no, that also you have to mention here. And Deloitte, and also you have to provide Deloitte alumni information. Are you a former employee of Deloitte or not, that you have to mention here. And professional certificate, additional certificates, and faculty in charge of placements, faculty full name, faculty email ID, faculty contact number, and other attachments like a photo file and resume, that you have to apply here. So before applying for this opportunity, please build a great resume. That already they mentioned every instruction regarding resume. So don't worry, I will mention link in the description so that you can reach out and carefully read every instruction and build a great resume before applying. Don't miss this opportunity. And after providing every detail, submit here, guys. So recruitment process and everything is same for undergraduate science and like engineering and for everything. So this is the step-by-step application process, guys. Application process also same for everyone. So if you are interested, don't miss this opportunity. This is one of the biggest opportunity from this company. Don't miss it. So guys, this is the latest opportunity from Deloitte mass hiring update. So if you want more opportunities, please once visit my channel. Every day I am posting latest opportunity. Don't miss the opportunity whatever I am posting in my channel. And some of the opportunities like limited slots, so quickly apply for these opportunities, guys. Don't miss it. Till then, keep your bell icon on, and don't miss any every opportunity that I am posting in my channel. Until then, bye bye.